iFASUN has created a small electric skateboard equipped with a dual motors and constructed from carbon fiber. Providing speeds of up to 22 miles per hour or 35 kilometers per hour with 3 driving modes, allowing beginners and professionals to get the most from their KingKong Pro electric skateboard. Thanks to its integrated 4,300 mAh rechargeable battery, the electric skateboard is capable of traveling 12.5 miles or 20 kilometers on a full charge, and thanks to its powerful dual motor configuration, and is capable of climbing inclines up to 25%, tested with a rider of 75 kilograms. iFASUN has provided 2 ways to control your electric skateboard, either using the handheld remote control or using the companion application on your smartphone. The companion application is supported by both iOS and Android devices and allows you to control the speed, brakes and acceleration. Another handy additions are the colorful LED lighting, which allows you to be seen at night, and a USB connection that allows you to charge your smartphone directly from the electric skateboard battery if needed. If all goes well, worldwide shipping is expected to take place during June 2018.